What is going on, you guys? Connor here, and we are back with another product video giveaway. So in this video, this is going to be a 1,000 a day profit winning product giveaway. So how you can enter is you can, number one, subscribe to my channel, number two, like this video, and as always, number three, comment free value in the comments of this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and do that right now, and we'll jump directly into the video. Okay, so what the winner gets in this video, I do post these videos every Monday. I know this video is a little bit late, it's one day late, but what we get in this video is you guys are going to be able to get a 100% custom video ad already made, 3 professional thumbnail variations, a professionally written ad copy, copy and paste product description, as well as a free 30-minute call with myself. There's people that charge hundreds, thousands of dollars for this right here, and I'm giving it to you completely for free, hashtag free value. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you guys will test this product on your own and make some sales and hopefully jumpstart your guys' entrepreneurship journey and your dropshipping stores profitably. What is the winning product? The winning product is a LED valve caps light. Let me go ahead and show you this product right now. So here is the product. I'm going to go ahead and play this video for you guys so you can see it. It will also be linked down in the description below. But this is the video. It's just a cap light that basically goes inside either a tire of a car or on the tire of a bicycle, basically, or I guess a tricycle or a unicycle, but mostly bicycles and cars. So it basically just goes on, the cap where you put the air in, basically, of the tire, and it just lights up when you spin, or when you're obviously riding your bike. So it's got a wow factor, and these people are Vision Motors. Launched this ad on March 27th. It has 13,000 shares, 8,500 comments. So this product's in high demand. Clearly, this store has marketed it pretty well. I'm guessing their product page is not anything too special. So after looking at the video ad, the second thing I usually do is go into the reviews. So in the reviews on Amazon and the reviews on AliExpress, as you can see here, the reviews on AliExpress, 4.6 stars, 4.7, 4.6. So overall, it's getting good reviews on AliExpress, which is good news. On Amazon, it also has good reviews. People are selling it for, $10. And then the third thing that I do, and this is really important too, is to, number one, go on the Shopify store that you saw the ad to see how they have everything set up. So this store is using a green add to cart button. They're using a, countdown timer. They are, let's see what their product page is looking like. A lot of pictures there. They have frequently bought together, and then they have some reviews here. I don't really like their review setup. I think they could add pictures. There's definitely stuff you can improve on. So, obviously this store has scaled this ad to 13,000 shares, which is, they're obviously making probably. And the winner of last week's giveaway is Judy. So congratulations to you, and please message me on Instagram at Connor Chapman, and we will get everything sorted for you. And for those of you who want to win the giveaway, make sure you guys follow the steps outlined in the beginning of the video. All right, back to our video. Around 100K on this ad alone is what I could estimate. And if we go to the third step of, when I find a product like this, what I like to do is I like to type in the product name and add plus Shopify. So if you guys have been around dropshipping and e-commerce for a while, you know this hack, you know this tip. For those of you that don't, this is a great way to do it. And what I'll do is I'll just go through the top couple stores here. So right off the bat, this is just an ad for Shopify. And then the next thing I see is just valve caps light LED from lightinthebox.com. So let's see if we can find it here, and boom, there it is. So these people, this store, this doesn't look like a Shopify store. It looks like some kind of other store. I don't really know what platform they're using, but they're selling these for $2.05. So not kind of the store I'm looking for. We're looking for a Shopify store that we can model our store after. So let's take a look here. So boom, this is a Shopify store. They're selling it for $9. They have no reviews on here. And overall, their store really does not look good. Let's see if they have any reviews down here. So no reviews. Right off the bat, the top competitors really aren't doing a good job of selling this product at all, from what I can see. So if we just go to kind of the next one, let's just see if we can find a good Shopify store that's selling these. Overall, what I'm seeing right now is these stores absolutely suck. What that means for you guys, you can definitely market this product, today. You can launch your ads, and I think that you're going to find some good success with this product. So, it has a wow factor, like I said. It solves a problem, and it's got, over 10,000 orders on AliExpress. So it is a high demand product, and that's good, right? It's not necessarily untapped, but it is high demand. So I think that, if you test things the right way, using my strategies, using the resources that I'm going to give you in the next couple minutes here, and how to actually market it, what interest to target, I think you're going to find some good success with this product. So let's move on to how to market this for easy sales. The emotion I would use for this product is going to be fear, and the solution of this product is going to be safety. Now, as you saw in the ad on Facebook, they were marketing this with cars and bikes. I would completely remove the car side, and I would only focus on cyclists and cyclist safety, okay? I would target this product as, keeping bikers safe at night because your rims will be, illuminated at a very, very cheap cost, right? So there's tons of products online that you can buy for cycling that's really, really expensive for safety. There's vests, there's helmets, there's also lights on the tires that are really expensive. This is a really, really cheap way for you to stay safe and for you to give yourself that peace of mind, right? So how I do this is I'd market this specifically for cyclists only. Buy two, get one free. This is the best way to sell this because you could increase your average order value. In terms of price point on this product, I price it anywhere from $14.95 to $19.95 and start at that point, and then you can do a buy two get one free. So essentially, you're going to be giving up three of these products, and you're going to be charging anywhere in the range of $30 to $40. Okay, and the example hook I would use, you guys can literally use this in your ads. It doesn't matter to me. I would say hundreds of cyclists are killed each year in traffic accidents because cars simply don't see them. Protect yourself and cyclists by staying safe with these LED valve lights. Okay. Now, look at that hook again. Not only are we talking about safety, but we're putting fear into the ad copy, and we're also saying to expand our audience of not just cyclists, but cyclists that you know. So everyone probably knows someone who rides a bike to work or just rides a bike in general, does mountain biking, whatever it may be, right? So I'm expanding my audience by putting that in there. And then after, the hook, you can put some of the main benefits. Maybe you could put a review. But that hook is a really, really good hook that you guys can copy and paste and use right away. So some interest that I would target would be cycling, Tour de France, Lance Armstrong, some bike brands, bike companies, bike countries, mountain biking, any cycling TV networks. These are just all interests that you can target. And the way that you can set this up basically, so you obviously need to use emotion in your ads. These are 27 human emotions that you can use. Use any of these. I would recommend using fear, and then I'd recommend solving the emotion of fear, their problem of fear, with the safety solution of these lights for the cyclists. Now, what are the steps for testing? First of all, you can search the product name on YouTube, Facebook, Google. You need to find YouTube footage that you can use. I wouldn't recommend copying the ad that I have in the link in the description. If you do that, you might not see as many results as some of my more successful students that I've seen, right? The successful students create their own ads, they do their own thing, and that's what actually makes them stand out from the competition, because if you do the same thing that everyone else is doing, you're not going to see any good results, right? No need to, go too crazy and reinvent the wheel, but you still need to be creative, because creativity will always outweigh just copying something. And so you need to combine multiple clips together. You need to use the same emotion in the ad video, the ad copy, and the product description, and create 3 different thumbnails for the video. This is going to really help with CTR. In my previous video, I touched on the importance of CTR, click-through rate, and these different thumbnails can really help you judge what ad and what thumbnail is going to have a better CTR, which will help you guys out in the Facebook auction. So the way to test it would be using my strategy that I've outlined in previous videos. It would be to launch one campaign with 10 ad sets with 3 ads per ad set. Those 3 ads being those 3 different thumbnail variations. Launch it at 7 days per day, a $7 per day ad set budget, target single interest in tier 1 countries. If you want, you could put these into a CBO. I'd recommend launching the CBO anywhere from $50 to $100 per day with 10 to 15 interests in there, okay? How do I analyze data on my Facebook Ads Manager? After 24 hours, good sign is 2+ purchases, okay is 1 purchase, and bad is 0 purchases. And with that, what I wanted to say was this product doesn't seem like a crazy winner, when you just look at it at its, as the ads that are out there, right? The ad that was out there we saw just is marketing to basically everyone with cars, everyone with bikes. I take this product, and in my head I think, let's market this in a safety angle, and let's market it to a specific group of people. So that way, when we're launching our ads on our cold interests, we can specifically target one group of people, and we can do, market research data on that group of people, and that's going to help you guys tremendously, right? It's really hard to sell a product to a broad group of people if you're just getting into dropshipping and if you're just learning about digital marketing. So the best way to really understand and have a good high quality product test is to focus primarily just on one group of people with one product and one niche. And that's why I think a good niche store for this one would be either number 1, a safety store, number 2, a gadget store, or number 3, something to do with lights and LED. It looks like you guys are the specialist in that particular area of the industry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure you guys join my free Facebook group, Shopify Secrets. And I did want to say, before I end this video, there will be a massive announcement coming on August 5th, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn on post notifications so you can be the first to know about the big announcement on August 5th. Thank you guys so much, and I do apologize there was no video in this video. I'm working on getting a new camera, so I apologize about that, but we will be back up and running with video very shortly. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.